Well guys, I am here today to test out, is the tech seriously invincible? Or is it undestroyable? So, gods know how many C4 I have put, but I don't have the detonator. Yes, I had to kill myself to get the detonator. How convenient. I have the detonator. I should probably enable slow time, but it cannot be able to see it because this is a short, so detonate it! Mostly that looks cool. Hold on, let me adjust the speed. Holy moly. Very cinematic. Holy moly. No. I can't stop it. It looks 100% good condition. Is the engine dead or still runs? Let me see. Does it still run? Come on, don't start. Yeah, boy! It's not unkillable, or I say undisableable. Nice.